Opening an old servo motor, assuming scribe is a typo, requires care to avoid damaging internal components. Here's a general guide. Precautions. 1. Disconnect power. Ensure the motor is disconnected from any power source. 2. Static protection. Ground yourself to prevent static damage to electronics. Steps. 1. Remove external covers. Take out screws holding external covers or casings. Identify internal components. Locate gears, bearings, and electronic components. Disassemble carefully. Remove screws, clips, or other fasteners holding internal components. 4. Note wire connections. Document wire connections for reassembly. Considerations. 1. Wear and tear. Old motors may have worn-out parts or corrosion. 2. Specialized tools. Some motors require specific tools for disassembly. Purpose. Are you looking to 1. Repair or replace components. 2. Modify the motor for a project? Understand internal mechanics?